So I have everything. This is the old motherboard, but CPU, cooler, RAM, motherboard, PSU, graphics card, SSD. Yeah, we have everything. I guess I need a cable too. SATA cable, right? Right, I need some Q-tips, some alcohol. These are old parts, especially the RAM. I did buy 3 things. I bought the motherboard, power supply, and the CPU cooler. That's all I bought. But let's lift this thing up. Let's do it on the floor, I guess. There we go. Maybe a little bit up. I introduce you to the Fractal Terra. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. This here is an ITX computer. Look at the wood finish on the bottom there. We have a nice beautiful jade color. Pretty, pretty, pretty boy in it. Okay, let's get started, shall we? And we start screwing this away. Building a PC is actually very simple. I think for new people, it sounds kind of scary, right? But it's very simple. It's like everything just fits. You can't really get it wrong. Honestly, the hardest part is like the power button. Okay, I say that and I fail the first thing I do. Oh my bad, I didn't remove these screws. Let me do this. It's nice to have 2 people for this, but you can do it as one. Take that screw out. It's always interesting to see how the thermal paste has spread. It looks pretty square right there. That's good. Now what we need from this is the CPU. So let's grab the CPU. I actually have 2 CPUs, but I think this one's better. We'll see. I guess maybe they're the same even. Take that out. Put it on the plastic here maybe. And now we can remove this. Now let's get the motherboard back here. Here we go. Bing bada boom. I feel like that's it. No? Don't need it. Okay, nice. There's so much tension. It's crazy actually. I think this is gonna be hard to show. We'll see how it goes, I guess. Please just work. One thing that's a nightmare for me is sockets, like these kind of CPU sockets, and I don't know, it's so difficult for me. I don't know why. Wait, I shouldn't fasten like this. My bad. Dun 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 dun. I think it looks pretty good. DDR4 RAM, by the way. Very nice. Like this. DDR4 Vengeance. Beautiful. Anything else now? I think we're done here. Now let's get back to the computer here. Beautiful computer, by the way. This is the Fractal Terra computer. I'll throw out a link in chat. They sent me a beautiful PC case. Look at that. Lid here on top that you can pull out. You can open it up like this. And you know what's insanely cool? Is that you can even, see if I can do this. you can do this. It literally just clips off. Look at that. So the access to the PC is insane. You can just pop those up whenever you want. Change things around. It's so nice. And so this here, up on the other side here, it connects to the motherboard, and then you don't have to put the graphics card like on the motherboard because that wouldn't fit right. So let me just put it like this then. We shall very gently lift it into here. Now everything is aligned. God damn. Clip it in there. Look at that. Boom. Easy. Alright, so it's time for the GPU, everybody. GPU goes in here. This is a 970. It's my old GPU, actually. I had a 970, and then I had a 2070 Ti, and now I have a 4070 Ti. Okay, here we go. Well, that's pretty cool. That's pretty satisfying. There we go. Okay, so we have some cables here now. This is the power button. We need to get the power button on. We gotta get that on the right one. I don't know which one it is, but I think it's this one. What's the worst that could happen? This is also used. So I'm using the SF750 Corsair 750 watt compact ITX PSU. Now let's see, power supply goes where? Because this is a smaller computer, this is an ITX, so they look a bit different. Bum. Yeah, well that's nice. So that's 6 screws. Let's look for the bag with 6 screws. Zoom. Can I just plug it in wherever? It doesn't fit if it's the wrong one, you know? They've made it that smart. How do I put this in? Here. Nice. Okay. Here we go. It looks so good when I put everything on. You can put your screwdriver through this, you see? I mean, it works, I guess, sideways. I want to connect this one, obviously. This is the power cable. Put that in like this. Pretty neat. Okay, put that in like this. Here. That makes no sense. GPU, where will that go? That's how, it's gonna have to go here, I think. Yeah, we'll just put it there, it's fine. I'm gonna shove these in here. The last power cable. The last power cable. Coming soon to a cinema near you. Let's have one more cable. It's the SATA cable. And it should be very easy. Look at that. This is how you put it on. Simple. I really like the system here where you can take it off and on like this. Oh yeah, okay. Look at that. Look at that goddamn PC. It's a beautiful creation. So, goddamn, you have to flip the USB all the time. Such a classic thing, isn't it? Flip once, flip twice. And it still doesn't fit. I actually got some Fanta Exotic. Fanta Exotic. Didn't know this PC build went so smoothly. Went very well actually.